Okay, I honestly have no idea why I'm recording this, but some time ago I lost a screw on my librem 13. It was actually originally this screw that I lost, but I found out that these screws here are the same size as these corner screws, which is really good because these corner screws also hold the hinge in place. So if one of these goes missing, you have to replace it pretty much immediately, otherwise you can't really open and close your laptop without causing a whole bunch of problems. So I moved the screw over, and I have an assortment of M whatever screws from China. Gotta love Chinese companies that put nice little thank you messages in the packaging. So now begins the process of matching the screws up. I think it's gonna turn out to be one of these M3s or maybe M2x5s. We'll have 2.5s. We'll have to see, I guess. I did some really terrible measurements of the screw when I first pulled it out. So we'll just pull out this screw here. I'm gonna have to do this one-handed. Again, I have no idea why I'm filming this, just for fun, I guess. Okay. Alright, so here is the screw that was in there. Kind of looks like 2.5 by 5. Let's see. It's about the same. 2.5 by 5 looks a little thicker, and quite possibly a little, yeah, definitely a little longer. What about M2? M2 by 5, well, 2 by 5 would be too long. This is M2 by 4. Focus. That looks roughly the same. I don't know if it's exactly the same. I don't know if these are M2 screws at all. I tried to look it up on Purism's website, and I found F-all, so I'm hoping that these are actually M2 screws in the first place, but looking at these two myself, I can't really tell the difference. I mean, I know which is which, and one of them is curved while the other is not. But yeah, I think that's it. So we just have to put these in. So this is the original. It's nothing important, just the cap to my terrible pen screwdriver. By the way, this is a pen screwdriver. It's A+. I'm screwing this in one-handed, thankfully with my good hand. You may notice that there's no Loctite on there and that I have no Loctite with me. This is because I do not value anything in life. Okay. Right, we're gonna move this over. And it looks like that's going in without any issues. Hopefully I'm not causing any number of silent failures that I'm not noticing. It looks to be on there good. Like I said, I have no idea if that's the right screw size at all, but hopefully it is. So yeah, it looks like these screws along the top, all 4 of them, are all the same size, and that they are roughly M2 by 4. And maybe I'm contradicting myself. Whatever I said first before I put them in is correct. Yeah. If you ever do this yourself, Loctite the screws, otherwise they'll just fall out. Thankfully I have a metric ton of them, but Loctite your screws.